i-validate po natin, no? Yung question about it. But what is important, Mr. Chairman, that sabi ko na nga, personally, I really appreciate, no, yung naging gesture ni General Wilkins in filing this motion for consideration, at the same time presenting to this committee, and of course to the SAA. He is present during his detention, Mr. Chairman. So with that, Mr. Chairman, since we have a quorum, and I already asked some members kanina, with that, Mr. Chairman, I respectfully move that to lift the motion that we have cited in contempt for Mr. Wilkins Villanueva. So, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion to lift the contempt order imposed on General Wilkins Villanueva by this committee. Duly seconded. Are there any objections?